Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to find your Minecraft seed. This is actually quite simple and I will show you how to do it for both the Java edition and the Bedrock edition. We start with the Java edition, and when I'm in the game I open the chat with the T key and enter the following /seed. This way the seed is displayed in Minecraft. If I just open the chat again and click on the seed, it will be copied to my clipboard. And now let's take a look how this works for the Bedrock edition. In the Bedrock edition it is a bit different because there is no command to display the seed. I have to go to the menu, click on Settings, stay in the Game category and scroll down a bit to see the seed. So it's not difficult at all. You just have to know that it's a bit different here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.